Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get these new wheels I have fitted. Hopefully, I'm going to try to run them without spacers. Most people run them with spacers. I'm going to try running them without. I do have a 13 mil worst case. Nice clean Supra wheels. Can't wait to put them on versus these 791Ms. These are actually 8-inch squared, which I'm not a huge fan of because they're 225s all around. That's the width. Super narrow, doesn't make the car look aggressive enough. Just lowered on H&R Sports last week, so that's the front wheel right there. These are going to complement the car really nice. So without further ado, let's test fit them. What's also good is get one of these thin-walled 17mm sockets. I can put a link in the description so you don't scratch the inside of your wheels. Plastic lined, and it'll keep your wheels safe and not mess anything up. So check out the comparison of the fronts, how much taller and wider they are. This car is an Xdrive, so the difference between the front and the back are going to be within 1% rolling diameter. So the rears will be basically as tall as well. But the originals are 225/40/19. The replacements are going to be 255/40/19, so 3 sizes wider. We are getting zero rub right now, which is great. The guy that had these before me did say he ran them without spacers, and they do work. I like the way they're sitting right now, so I'm going to tighten it all up. I'll show you the shock clearance. It is tight though. There's barely any room above it, but should be good. So as we get under here, we are close, but good. Shouldn't hit. Now I'm going to show you the inside. Now I'm going to bring you on the inside. Hopefully we'll be able to see that good, but you see that's clearing. I just put them on lightly with this because I don't want to over tighten them. I'm going to use a torque wrench to set them to 105. Those look pretty good. Pretty happy. This is without the spacer. The car's probably got to settle a little bit by moving it, but sits pretty good without a spacer. Almost want to run them without if possible. That's the goal here. I mean, I could pull them out a little bit, but I mean, they look good. You can actually see the calipers better than with the old wheels. It's going to ride nicer with the fatter tires because the sidewall is thicker. I'm excited. I'm going to do the other front, make sure I have clearance as well. I don't want to have issues with the fronts. The rears are going to go on, no issues. Alright, the other side's on, no rub also. So far so good. Sitting nice. Time for the rears. Alright, so now it's off. Let's get you a comparison of the widths. Got this skinny tire here. Move the camera back a little bit if I need to. Okay. And comparison this big boy right here. Look at the difference. Night and day. So the front is 3 sizes wider difference, and since I'm a square setup, the rear is going to be 6 sizes wider. These rears right here are 285, 3519, and I'm running Michelins. Back is on, has to settle. I have to move the car around, but they sit nice. I love the way they set in like that. Looks so sick. Alright, all 4 are on, and this is how it's sitting. I rocked the car back and forth so the suspension could settle. Now you can see the front came down. Get from the other side, hopefully it's not too much sun glare. Trying to get some good footage in a little while, but this is how she's sitting so far. Alright guys, so here it is, all cleaned up. So I gotta say, overall, I'm very happy with how everything looks. Everything fits well. The wheel gap is pretty much where I need it to be. This is a daily driver, so I don't like to go super low. But with these wheels, you can see the calipers so much better. The other ones kind of just hid them. Now it makes them pop a lot more. And like I said, these are 255, 40 19s in the front, and 285, 35, 19 in the rear. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.